Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Hayu as a lecturer in English course. Here I will present the material entitled Watermarking Techniques using Least Significant Bit Algorithm for Digital Image Security Standard Solution based Android. Before that, my name is Muhammad Ahsani Nur Takwimi, name 2112400001200, class DB. Next is the delivery of the material. Abstract. Ease of deployment of digital image through the internet has positive and negative sides, especially for owners for the original digital image. The positive side of the is of rapid deployment is the owner of the image deploys digital image file to various sites in the world address. The result of the simulation carried out using Android smartphone show the LSB watermarking technique is not able to be seen by naked human eye, meaning there is no significant difference in the image of the original file with images that have been inserted watermarking. Introduction 1. The objective of the research: to anticipate threats to multimedia copyright need to do the inserting of a code or whatever that is not visible to the human eye at a glance using watermarking techniques. Encryption can offer protection of confidentiality and integrity of the content, and the content is decrypted can be protected using a digital watermark. The goal of the digital watermark is to provide copyright protection for intellectual property in a digital format. Information or logo that is embedded in an image is called digital watermark image. 2. The problem of research. At present, the distribution of multimedia products not only be done offline but also online via the internet. One of the intellectual work that we need to protect is in the form of digital goods, such as software and multimedia products such as text, music in MP3 or WAV format, picture of image or image, and digital video or VCD. During this time doubling on digital products, they are already widely carried out independently and freely. Duplicate exactly the same as the original. The copyright holder of digital product is certainly very well aggrieved because he did not receive royalties from the multiplication effort. Method 1. Method of research. The method used in this research is using descriptive method of a paper that describes the actual state of the object under investigation, according to the actual circumstance at the time of the study directly. Descriptive method is a method used to describe or analyze the result of the study but not used to make broader Conclusion. Descriptive method is a fact-finding with the proper interpretation. 2. Data collection. Watermarking has existed since 7,000 years ago. Digital image watermarking is similar to the concept of a physically object, with the difference that the technique used for digital watermarking is not a physical object. In the digital image watermark, confidential information or logo that is embedded in another image in a way unseen. Digital image watermarking system basically consists of watermarking embed and watermarking detection. 3. Technique of analyze data. The most common method of watermark embed is to embed a watermark into the least significant bit of object covering. Although able to maintain transformation like cropping in editing to one of unwanted noise, but more sophisticated attack that can only be set LSB bits of each pixel into one fully able to beat the watermark with minimal impact to object coverings. LSB are bits which, if motif, will not significantly affect the colors produced by the combination of the 3 RGB color components. Finding and discussion. Application security image is an application created to sort the data and insert image into a message format JPEG image, especially on mobile device based on Android. The purpose of making application security image is to provide ease and convenience to the smartphone user who like to take pictures. In this case, more confident smartphone users to store photos in social media because it has been inserted in the picture message. Result of the application made is in figure 5 and 6 following. Conclusion. Security application watermarking technique using image with the least significant bit algorithm based on Android have been built as a security application image using Android mobile device. Although using a smartphone device based on Android, but still the message encryption process can be handled properly so as to provide watermarking JPEG image without visible to the human eye. If there are any wrong words, I apologize. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.